Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'll be sharing my delicious sweet jalapeno cornbread recipe with you. This recipe is the perfect balance between sweet and savory. This cornbread is incredibly moist and is the perfect side dish to your favorite soups, stews, and chili. I'll share my tips and tricks to make perfect cornbread every time. So without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. If you're not using a cast iron pan, adjust to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Add your cast iron skillet to the oven for preheating. Begin by combining 1 egg, a third of a cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and a quarter cup of honey. Whisk until completely combined. To a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of cornmeal. Whisk all the ingredients until they're thoroughly combined. Next, finely dice 1 jalapeno pepper, removing the seeds and the vein. Go ahead and add your jalapeno to the flour until it's evenly distributed. Pour your wet ingredients into your flour mixture and mix to combine. Your batter will have this texture and consistency. Next, carefully remove your skillet from the oven and grease it with butter. Be sure to grease the sides as well. Then pour your batter into your skillet. Using a spatula, gently level it off. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Use a toothpick to check when it's done. Let your cornbread cool off for 10 minutes before cutting. And just like that, you've made a delicious, sweet jalapeno cornbread. To take it to the next level, brush with 1 tablespoon of melted butter and a teaspoon of honey. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like what you see. If you love the combination of sweet and savory, then this recipe is just for you. This recipe is dear to my heart as my grandmother absolutely loved cornbread. When I make it, it reminds me of her. I am now sharing this recipe for you and your family to enjoy for years to come. As a thank you for watching, I've included a recipe card with the ingredients for you. For more tasty recipes such as my creamy white chili chicken, please subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and type cornbread in the comments so that I can personally welcome you to the greenhouse family. Take care of yourself, my beloved, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.